All right. Our next presenter is Jenna Dick from the Medical School, Department of Microbiology, Immunology, and Cancer Biology, Medical Scientist Training Program, MD, PhD. Come on up.
Did you ever get so frustrated at Mario that you wished you could hack the game so that you had unlimited magic mushrooms to help you win it? If you haven't played Super Mario Bros., it follows Mario as he attempts to rescue Princess Toadstool. Along the way, he comes across obstacles like this turtle and power-ups like this mushroom, which make him bigger and faster. Now I want you to imagine that instead of trying to rescue Princess Toadstool, that you're trying to save lives, and that instead of a turtle being in your way, it's a parasite. For my research, I study malaria, which is a parasitic disease that gets transmitted to humans via mosquitoes. Malaria kills 500,000 people yearly, and 75% of those killed are children. For children, it's like playing Mario without the power-up mushrooms. Their immune systems are less developed. It may surprise you to know that there is still no fully protective vaccine against malaria, and therefore it is critical that we understand how our immune cells respond to it to better develop vaccines. To this end, I study natural killer cells, or NK cells for short. NK cells are like the Mario in the game. They are immune cells that kill malaria. And we've found that there are a specialized type of NK cells called an adaptive NK cell, which kills malaria better. These are like the powered-up version of Mario. Now, if you've played Mario, you know that you like the power-up mushrooms to get to this version. But do you know how they work? Well, for the game, you don't have to. But in our case, for NK cells, we do. So we've taken samples from children with malaria to understand what their adaptive NK cells look like and how they function. Now, NK cells have many parts, including proteins which act as brakes that slow down their killing function. In kids with malaria, I've found that their NK cells have adapted to have fewer of these proteins, which is what we think allows them to kill malaria better. We are now testing this by genetically editing NK cells to remove these proteins. The next step is to understand how adaptive NK cells develop so that we can hack the body to make more of them. We will utilize this knowledge in developing vaccines and therapies against malaria that promote the production of adaptive NK cells. So just as Mario can power up to rescue Princess Toadstool, so we too can power up our NK cells to fight malaria better and save lives. Thank you.